Good morning. It's 5:08 a.m. Good morning, Tampa. Welcome to my realistic morning routine as someone who gets up at 5 a.m. I am gonna make my coffee. Today I'm gonna have Bianco Forte. It's the Nespresso pot. Okay, I'm gonna start my frother now. I am gonna show you guys my little ice rolling routine that I do while I drink my coffee. So I ice roll in the morning before I work out, and I do everything else regarding my skin like after I work out. This one is from Skin Gym, it's from Revolve, and I just kind of ice roll away. There's no really like method to this. I do it until it doesn't feel super cold anymore, which typically is about 3 minutes. I love ice rolling. I've done it for like 6 months and it is my favorite thing ever. It feels so good on my skin in the morning and has all of these benefits, so why not do it every morning, you know? It really does like wake my face up. I wake up super swollen naturally, so it helps my swelling go down immediately in my face. That sound, that is horrendous. And it sounds even worse today. That's so weird. This coffee's immaculate. Now we do the devotional that I love to do every single morning. It is my favorite thing ever. You guys, I got these new like slippers from UGG. They're like the Tasman slippers. I am quite literally obsessed with them. I can't stop wearing them. All right, here's the breakdown of my journaling routine. This one's from Amazon and I use it in the mornings only. And I only use a few sections of it, but it looks like this. I have a regular journal just to write whatever I'm feeling in. So I also have a blank one with like no outline. And of course I got my Bible. You guys, this is my brother, by the way. He made a little bookmark for me. If you were wondering why is there a shirtless man in my Bible, it's my brother. A lot of people ask me, they're like, why do you wake up at 5 a.m.? And my response is, I read a book and it said that 5% of the world wakes up at 5 a.m. The other 95% wake up at like 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30, 8 on a weekday. My fear is being like anyone else, and I don't say that in like a cocky way. Like I like to be set apart. And so I'm also very competitive. I made it a challenge in my head. I was like, you will wake up at 5 a.m. every day. So I tried it and I fell in love with it genuinely. And so I just find the most peace in the mornings. I'm able to relax, start my day off the right way. I've always not been really a morning person until like this past year, but how my morning goes is a full-on true tell of how my day is gonna go. So I love really good peaceful mornings, spending it with the Lord and just kind of soaking in where I am in life. And it's just really peaceful because I don't hear people, I don't hear cars, I don't really ever see cars. I mean, I'm starting to see them now that it's like 5:40 on the Salmon Expressway, but you get what I mean. I'm actually just gonna sit on my phone for a minute and just text back people who were texting me throughout the night. I have 24 texts, so I'm gonna respond to all of those. You guys, I feel like this is just so random, but I feel like there's a lot of pressure, especially, well, when I film morning routine, I feel so pressured. And I think it's because everyone does like an aesthetic morning routine and stuff like that. My mornings are never really aesthetic. I just kind of wake up and do my thing and get on with my life. And so I feel like a lot of people who watch people who do like those kind of morning routines that aren't realistic kind of put it in your head that you have to do this in the morning, you have to do that. That's not the case. Do what you feel like doing in the morning, and it's your morning routine. Make it yours. I am not gonna put pressure on myself at all to be perfect. No, thank you. That doesn't sound like fun, because if I strive to be perfect, I will fall short in every single way because I'm a human. I'm not gonna be perfect. Random little side note. All right, it's 5:47 and I need to leave here to walk to Orangetheory in 8 minutes. Ugh. So I need to pick out a little workout outfit. I'm kind of obsessing over these shorts just because they're super fun. And then this sports bra, I just got it, so that's why it's not really put up. Looks like this. How cute. I think I may wear this. I'm gonna try it on. Okay, here we are. I think this is so cute, and I think that this is what I am going to wear today. I really like it. It's fun. It's funky, fun, and fresh. Ready to work out. Boop, 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 boop. For my shoes, I'm gonna wear these. I don't know the exact name, but I'll link them down below. They're from Revolve. Also, this is boxes of trash, like not actual trash. Hey, I guess that's the most realistic thing in this video, is that I haven't taken out the trash in 24 hours. So it's not like food trash, it's just boxes, but it looks bad. And typically I'd be embarrassed, but hey, I didn't take the trash out yesterday. Don't kill me. I feel like I am definitely more on the perfectionist side, and I'm learning that I can't be that way. Also, I just posted a lululemon haul, and this is linked in that video, but I'll also link it in this one. I'm gonna put on this belt bag, have my Orangetheory little link to catch my calories and all that fun stuff. I need perfume, so I'll be right back. I have my outfit on, give you a little outfit look. So cute, right? I'm gonna go work out. I'm obviously not gonna take you guys with me to the workout. I'm gonna use my phone to vlog just because I walk with just my fanny pack and I don't wanna hold my camera for someone to possibly think something of it and they can take it. Not cute. So I'm gonna film on my camera and I'll meet you guys right back here. Look, right back here. Yes, I'm paranoid. I have this on my thing, even though we have security and everything at my building. But I'm gonna meet you right back here at, let's see, workouts from 6:05 to 7:05, so like 7:10, and I'll see you. Walk into class. So pretty out. It's like 65 degrees right now. It feels amazing. So good. Y'all, my allergies are so bad today that I can barely see. Like, it's blurry. Why? I just took my allergy pill.
1 hour later.
Okay, I just finished workout. I burned 600 calories. It was a really good workout. And now I'm walking back to my apartment. This is where I work out, by the way. This Orangetheory. Woo. That workout, it was too good. I picked up a package on the way up because I didn't have any Mexico and Nespresso left. I was drinking Bianco Forte this morning. So now I can have a nice hot cup of Mexico, which is my favorite coffee. So typically I would make breakfast before I shower, which I'm definitely gonna do because I'm so hungry right now. So let's eat, let's nourish our body because it deserves it, and let's feed it good stuff. But before we do that, I just gotta show you what the beautiful sky looks like right now. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Oh my goodness. I love living here, it's just gorgeous. And then in this window, in my office, you can see the other side, which is also so insanely beautiful and perfect. Those are all like apartments over there. So beautiful, I love it. I desperately need to show you guys my favorite way to make coffee. So grab your little mug. I'm about to put y'all down for this one. But do 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. And next up, you want to grab a Mexico pod. It's number 7 on intensity. It's like literally perfect. And it's my favorite number. So it just goes, put it in, and brew. Yay! You want to grab creamer, and this is my favorite one. It's like the all-time best creamer in the world to me. This rag decided to take a fall. Oh my gosh. Shake, shake, shake. Pour just a little in here, and then pour enough in here like that. Go ahead and froth this on hot. It's ready. Okay, so now just take your coffee off and froth. Like, pour it in. I try to do hearts, but it's really hard for me, especially because this one's about to be really full. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, Hey, not looking bad actually. That just got a little too thick right there, but you get the vibe. Pour like a little bit more to mess it up. And boom, voila, she's perfect. I always use this Cholula chili garlic hot sauce. I'm obsessed with it. So good. And I don't do dairy, so I'm having the Earth Balance butter. It's my favorite, like, vegan butter. And then I also put nutritional yeast in my eggs because I am fully obsessed with cheesy eggs and I can't have cheese. So I use nutritional yeast and it tastes the exact same to me, so love that. And I'm just going to mix my coffee. Boom, look how good, oh my gosh. And then I get to eat it with this view, are you kidding me? Oh, there's nothing to complain about right now. Okay, so I have 2 eggs with nutritional yeast, salt, pepper, and then I have a handful of spinach, a few baby tomatoes, like the little colored fun ones that you guys saw. And then I have goat cheese. I don't do dairy from a cow, I only do it from a goat and a sheep. I have 2 English muffins. These are the sourdough ones because I am gluten-free. And then I have vegan butter, and then the most beautiful, wonderful, perfect coffee of life. I'm thinking we do a little taste test just to spice it up, so. Thank you, Lord, for an amazing morning, and I pray that it only gets better from here and that my subscribers have the best day ever. Like, you guys are gonna have the best day ever. So good. Y'all know that TikTok and it's like, that is too good. Let's get the bill. That's how I feel right now. I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I eat. That's like my favorite thing to do. I've been super obsessed with like makeup tutorials recently and like trying out new makeup of watching people. So that's been something that I've been watching recently. I've also been watching a ton of Sephora hauls from the sale, which was nice. Those are always fun. But I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done eating. Clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. I love cleaning. I love having a clean kitchen. Makes me feel good. But ignore all these boxes right here. They're packages I need to open. I am showered. I'm in my little, this is from Skims. It's like a little cotton rib onesie, so I'm in this, and I'm gonna show you guys my after shower routine, which I love and cherish with my whole heart. There's kind of a lot of steps involved, but it's what I do every morning. It's my morning routine. So first, I lather my whole body in this lotion. Oh my gosh. I just skipped my dry brushing. I'm so sad. Oh my god, I just put lotion on my body. That is horrible of me. Whatever, we're just gonna skip to this part with this paddle. And then I use this jojoba oil. So I think that this is also for lymphatic drainage, like I'm pretty sure. So I just take a pump of jojoba oil and I put all of my legs on top of the lotion. You don't want to do too much where it's too thick, otherwise when you're using the paddle, it'll slip off. But just like a nice thin layer. So now for this thing, this helps move blood circulation in my body so well. So there's a few ways to hold it. Also, I'm gonna link it down below. For my arms, I do this. It also helps with toning, I think, but I use it just because it feels good. It makes my body feel like it's ready for the day. Everyone can do it the way they please, but this is my personal favorite method. It feels so good. I also really love inflicting pain on myself, but like, that sounds horrible. In the sense of like, I love this feeling and I love when I have like a deep massage therapist and they're like pounding my arms and legs. And to be honest, my whole body, like it just feels so good to me. So to me, like this is like nice pain. And then now for the legs, there's a few ways you can do the legs. You can do it like with this small part, like I just did with my arms. And you can also take this longer part and go up here on your thighs, because I got big thighs. Typically I do dry brushing first and then I will go in with my paddle, that's what I call it. But I totally forgot to dry brush it. I just put lotion on immediately. I didn't even think about it. This also feels really good if you're really sore from the gym. I'm done. I really wanted to show you guys my dry brushing routine. So maybe I'll put it in like a day in the life or something since I totally blanked. For skincare, I use the medical grade skincare from Zoe Skin Health. I use the Daily Power Defense. 2 pumps all over the face and neck. And before I go in with the second step, I just gua sha for a minute or two. I gua sha twice a day, so I don't really do it for too long each time. This combined with ice rolling in the morning literally helps me survive. Like, it helps my skin so much. I also have more of like a snatched face when I do this. Next up, I use the Bright Alive Skin Brightener, 2 pounds as well. This has really good like vitamin C in it, so it helps during the day. And this is the best sunscreen you'll ever put on your face. It's by Elta MD. It has to be UV clear and it is tinted, so it makes me feel like I'm wearing makeup. So I just do like a full pump, rub away on my face and on the neck. I just did my eyebrows and put on mascara. I'm not gonna wear makeup today because I feel cute. My skin looks so good and healthy and clear and my face is snatched. The last step in my morning routine is probably like not my favorite currently. I'm trying to like make it my favorite. Let me just show you. My enemy, a ginger shot. So I only say that this is my enemy just because I'm so bad at taking shots and the ginger makes me burn. But I will say that my body feels like so much better after I do take these. Oh my gosh. I make these, by the way, like homemade. The recipe is on my TikTok. I am so unprepared to take this. I don't even take it like a shot. Like, I just continue to sip it because that's all I can physically do. Ew, I don't want to gag. I can't throw up. I'm blocking out the taste in my nose and my mouth right now. It's like all I feel is burning. Oh my god. I'm such a wimp. Do y'all know how many times I have literally taken a ginger shot and immediately I've just like gagged it up because the taste? But the reason I continue to take them is because I do feel better after. My stomach feels settled. I've got really good nutrients in it. Ginger is so good for your immune system, so that's why I do it every morning. All right, you guys, it's currently 8:58. Been up since 5. I've done everything that I would typically do in a morning routine, and now I'm gonna get on with my daytime routine. I hope you guys have enjoyed this morning routine. I really do love filming these and I'm glad I did it because like I was saying this morning, a lot of times I just like put too much pressure on myself to be perfect in my videos, which I've stopped doing, but I feel like morning routines are just, you want to make them perfect. But I love you guys so much, and my motivation of the day for you guys is to go watch the video I just posted about how I changed my life, how I changed my mindset, all this fun stuff, because truly I really do think you guys are going to enjoy it, and it was such a good video and y'all loved it. So go watch it if you haven't watched it yet. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Stay tuned for some really fun April content. There is so much good stuff coming, and it's going to continue to come because God is good. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye!